Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Hope you're doing fine. Today we are gonna be learning physics, energy, introduction. So today we're gonna be learning what energy is in physics. First, let us get an introduction. Of work. Work is said to be done when a body experiences displacement in the direction of force applied. For example, let us take example of this stickman. So body in physics, oh no, come on man. Body in physics means anything. Body in physics means literally anything. Like an atom is a body in physics. Eyes are bodies in physics. Box is body in physics. Humans are bodies in physics, etc. So this and displacement means like a movement. Displacement means like a movement. So in simple words, work is said to be done when anything experiences movement in the direction of force applied. Let us take an example of this stickman figure thing. This stickman and work in physics means like literally doing anything. Work in physics means like literally doing anything. Like when you're just standing there doing nothing, then also you're doing work according to physics. So let's start. So this stickman is doing work according to physics. Yeah. So work is done, and this body has experienced displacement, means that body has experienced movement. Yeah. And that body has experienced movement in the direction of force applied. Yeah. And that's the definition. Like, I don't know why you guys are getting so confused by these definitions. Like, these are so easy to understand. Like, come on, man. Okay, yeah. Work is equal to F multiplied by S. W is work done. F is applied force, and S is displacement of body or distance covered by body. And as I said, displacement means movement. But I'm just gonna write move here. So yeah. So let's take the same example. So this stickman did some work. So the amount of work this stickman did is 2 something, and the amount of applied force this stickman applied was 5, and that is a horrible example. So the amount of force the stickman applied was 2, and the amount of S the stickman applied was 5. So the amount of F the stickman applied was 2, and the amount of S the stickman applied was 5. So the amount of work the stickman has done is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, which is nothing but 10. So the stickman did 10 work. Now we have learned about work. Let us learn about energy. The SI unit of energy is joule, which short form is J. So yeah. And what is energy? So energy is the ability of a body to do work. See, let's take an example of the same stickman figure. So this stickman is also a body according to physics. And this stickman has the ability to do work. Yeah. So that is energy explained for you, I guess. Now let us learn about the types of energy. There are, I don't know how many types of energy are there. So yeah. So let's learn about the types of energy now. Potential energy. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in something. Potential energy is of two types. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, back. So I got my physics book. Now let me just flip to the page number. Okay, so the proper definition. Okay, yeah. So potential energy is the energy that a body has because of its position. Potential energy is the energy that a body has because of its position. Potential energy is divided into two parts: gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy acquired by a body when it is raised at some height from ground level. Means the gravitational potential energy is the energy which a body has gotten when it is raised at some point from the ground level. For example, this yellow rectangle has no gravitational potential energy because it is touching the ground. But when this blue rectangle goes up, it has gravitational potential energy. And elastic potential energy. What is... Oh yeah, right. I forgot to explain this formula. So let me just explain. M is mass of the body. So gravitational potential energy is M multiplied by G multiplied by H. M is mass of the body. G is acceleration due to gravity, and H is height. Now in my textbook it is giving G is equal to acceleration due to gravity. I do not know what acceleration is. Acceleration is the rate. Okay, so ChatGPT is saying that the acceleration is the rate of change of an object's velocity, and velocity is the rate of change of an object's position with respect to time. Yeah, you know what? Whatever. So suppose the gravitational potential energy. So suppose find the gravitational potential energy of this cyan rectangle. So let's find it together. The M of this rectangle, of this blue rectangle, is 2. G of this blue rectangle is 1. Mass of this blue rectangle is 2. G of this blue rectangle is 2. And H of this blue rectangle is 3. So let's solve it. So the gravitational potential energy of this rectangle is equal to M multiplied by G multiplied by H. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So we can simplify. So let's solve this. 4 1 to 4, 4 2 to 4 3 to 12. The gravitational potential energy of this cyan rectangle is 12. Yeah. No, elastic potential energy. Elastic means stretching. So guys, this is pretty self-explanatory. Elastic just means stretching something like a rubber band. Like, come on, it's so easy to memorize. Elastic potential energy means the stretching potential energy. The potential energy used when stretching. For example, this yellow rectangle is being stretched. So, yeah, elastic just means stretching. Yeah. Okay guys, so we have to do this fast. Now we're gonna be learning what kinetic energy is. Kinetic energy means movement energy. Means the energy which a body has because of its movement is kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is movement energy. So what about kinetic energy is equal to movement energy over here. If you have any doubt, go ask me in the comments. So suppose this is a stick man. This stick man has this stick. Now let us select the stick man. When the stick man moves, this stick man has kinetic energy. So the stick man is moving means it is using the kinetic energy and all. So yeah, bye. Wait, don't leave. I have to explain the formula for kinetic energy too. So kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to mv2. Oh my god, it's the most confusing definition I've ever heard. I feel so bad for you guys. You guys have to memorize such hard equations. I can't even. Okay. So m means mass and v means speed. So the kinetic energy of this stickman, the kinetic energy of this stickman is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to mv. What? Wait, let me see it in the textbook. Okay, yeah, now I understand. So the kinetic energy of this stickman is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by mv power 2. So, let me explain this. The mass of the stickman is 2. And the speed of the stickman is 5. Wait, no, it is 2. And mv means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Yeah. And 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Yeah. So the kinetic energy of this stickman is 1 by 2. So the kinetic energy of this stickman is 1 by 2, 16. Yeah. Bye. Bye, y'all.